I was able to remove some of the crud off of the septic pump, but haven't found like a particular model number yet of for the septic pump. But in the meantime, I figured out I'd check out the cleanout because I haven't looked into this yet. So I had thought that there was only one holding tank, but this is actually the first holding tank for the solids, and the second one over is the holding tank for the liquid. Because I can see, after doing some research, I can see like the baffles down in here. Interesting. Let me show you guys a close-up. Down in there. So this is the solids tank, and then I believe those are known as the baffles. And so that then is the liquid tank, which makes sense, because then there's the mound, and that's the pump. You'll get a kick out of this. A root was penetrating the corner of the cleanout, trying to make its way into the septic system. Nature is fascinating. Trying to clean away as much dirt and rocks as possible. That way, keep the most foreign object debris outside of the solids tank. This is kind of interesting. I don't think this is the clean out actually, or maybe it is, but I was expecting a much larger cap. But and like, also, how would you get your hose past what I believe is the baffle? And that seems to be in there pretty solid. It seems odd. I'm gonna keep doing some digging and see if I can actually find another hatch. This might be me being hopeful, but I noticed some rust while I was digging. And I believe that is part of the handle for the actual cleanout. Just gotta keep digging around it. I want you to see if you can notice any similarities. All right. Well, here's another baffle. But again, I don't think this is the cleanout. See if this will move. No, it's like solid in there. So maybe the cleanout's right in the middle. Or maybe, I would think it would be right in the middle. Or maybe it's right there. I don't know, I picked this spot because it was in the middle of both of them. We're getting closer. Another familiar sign. A little piece of rust. My guess is that there's not a baffle directly under this one. And this is the clean out. We'll see. Well, we found it. There's the one handle right there. And here's the other handle right there. So I just have to dig out the whole diameter here, but this is definitely the clean out. That must just be another observation port so you can see the baffle that goes to the next tank. Make sure that it's working, but yeah, we're getting there. All right, so we dug it out, and this is the solids tank. This is how far we are on the septic system so far. The outlet from the house comes down into here. This is the start of the solids tank. This is the observation port. This is the solids removal port, and then there's another port over here directly behind that one, perhaps another observation port. And then we have pipe that runs through into the liquid tank, and then that's the pump there for the liquid tank, and then we have the sand mound directly behind that. So yeah, it's going pretty well. I'm going to try and cover this area over with a tarp before too much snow falls, but yeah, it's looking good and we're making a lot of progress. And I'm learning a lot about septic systems. Well, it was a good day.